All right, veterans, it's the summertime. Things are moving. Now's the time for you to use your VA home loan benefit to buy your first home, to buy your dream home, to buy your forever home, to build a home, to buy a condo, to buy a triplex, a duplex, or a quadplex. All of those things are absolutely possibilities with the use of your VA home loan benefits. So if you're a veteran and this content is helping you, please watch, like, share, subscribe, and comment. All of those things help us grow our community around the idea that we all served and earned the right to use our VA loan, but we didn't learn anything about our VA loan while we were in the service. First, if you're not going to watch the whole video, the resources I'm going to give you is my FICO. It's in the description of the video, and my soft pull credit link. It's like 17 bucks. Sign up, pull, pay for the credit pull, reach out to me. I'll get you your scores, and then we can have a conversation about your credit. Credit's normally the elephant in the room. Your credit score is made up from 3 bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. There are lots of different types of scores. They're all made up from these same 5 factors. They all kind of factor in the same things to come up with your credit scores. 35% of it is the payment history. 30% of it is the amount owed. 15% of it is the length of time you've had the credit. 10% of it is your new credit, and then 10% of it is your credit mix. So they throw all of those things into a pot, and they come up with credit reports for you. Now, you have a overall, you have a miscellaneous, you have an automotive, you have a credit card, and you have a mortgage scores. When we're determining your credit worthiness for your mortgage, we're going to use your mortgage scores. If you've got 3 scores, it doesn't matter which bureau they're in, 700, 710, 680, that 700 is going to be your middle score, and that's what we're going to use to determine your credit worthiness. Now, the VA does not have a set credit score. The VA only determines your ability to use your VA loan. The lenders actually have overlays where they determine your credit scores. So a lender can say, I'm going to loan from somebody from a 600 to whatever astronomical credit score is out there. Now, if you are in a special category and you're below a 600, we have special lenders for that, where we have lenders that'll go down to 580. Now, if you have a 580 credit score, you need to know that the lender is going to charge you an interest rate that will absolutely degrade your buying power. You also need to know that you have to have had a year of clean credit. So whatever atrocious happened to you back then, and you're recovering from it right now. So no late payments, no missed payments, no new charge-offs, nothing crazy. All of those things have to be in order for you to be able to buy a home with a 580 credit score. You need to be in recovery from whatever. And to be fair, I was in the Army for a very long time. I made lots of poor decisions, and I have been in that boat. Also, sometimes it's even easier for you to fix your credit than to buy a home with a 580 credit score, especially in Washington. Degrading your buying power is not what you want to do here in the Puget Sound area. You could fix it. So the ladies at Credit Resources of Washington, Kelly and her team, absolutely hands down the best. They helped me. I signed up in April and I was buying a home in December. And I had a pretty good amount of ex-wife debt, but their credit polishing, top notch. I absolutely send everybody there. They're my favorite people. If you have a score above 600, you're good enough for me, and you could probably buy a home. If you want to know your credit scores, there's a soft pull link, 17 bucks, super easy to do, in the description of this video. My FICO is not a sponsor of this video, but I personally use my FICO, and it helps me be aware of my credit stuff. I was never great with my credit until now, and it absolutely shows it to me, reminds me about it, and helps me be better all the time. If you have a question or you want to reach out to me offline, please, my Candidly and my description will be in the link of this video. If you have something that'll help the community learn and grow, leave it in the comments. I'll answer everything there. If you have a VA loan you want my help with, reach out to me. I am more than excited to serve my community. If you want to subscribe, click here. If you want to watch another video, click here. I'm Byron Thomas, a veteran and a loan officer from Clear Choice Mortgage. I can't wait to help you. Peace.